everyone. Global Opportunities is here with its 6th annual conference. I am Nigar
And I'm Pankita.
and we are excited to announce that the annual conference this year would be held in Dubai from 27th of November to 1st of December.
Alright, Nigar, so can you please tell me what is this conference is all about?
Yes, we at Global Opportunities strive each day to transform what we have into making it something bigger and better. We organize these strategic meets to bring all stakeholders under one roof and introduce new concepts. We also affirm our founding values. We seek feedback and then lay out the map for the future.
Interesting actually. So I just wanted to know, what is valued interact with global?
Valued interact with Global Opportunities is what we call VIGO. At the heart of this conference, we conduct value interaction with our business partners, our university partners. So we actually invite them, and it's a must attend for our partners because it brings all the business drivers under one roof, and it helps us discuss and plan out strategies and synergies that's going to help our students in the future to achieve a common goal.
Who all are traveling to this annual meet from your various branches, as you have so many branches?
Yes, these internal conclaves are attended by, of course, the top management, the country heads, the regional managers, the branch managers and the sales team from across India who have contributed to the success of the organization and who have been the top performers in this year.
Alright, very nice.
We are constantly evolving as an organization. We are more than 450 employees as of now, and every member of this family is dedicating each day towards the achievement of the organization's goal. So the top performers get the opportunity. At the same time, the people who are already working, they have the scope for the future. In this conference, we are not only looking at celebration, but we are going to make strategies to improve or benefit our existing employees. Also, looking at the benefit of the existing employees, we are looking forward to invite new employees to come in the team. We want to welcome them as an integral part of this organization.
So Nigar, one more question I'm getting in my mind, then how come students get benefits from this meet?
Well, Pankita, we have been serving the students for almost 2 decades now and have successfully fulfilled the dreams of 40,000, in fact more than that, 40,000 students, and we have placed them where they actually wanted to be. So the agenda behind the meet is to celebrate that success of placing the students at the right place and to improvise what we already have. So we are going to plan strategies to improve our services so that next time when you visit Global Opportunities offices, you have an excellent service experience and you feel very comfortable to plan out your future with us.
Oh, it sounds like an exciting event now.
Absolutely, it is. And I would request all of our viewers to stay tuned to experience Dubai with Global Opportunities.